All right, friends, yesterday we learned what penguins like to eat. Do you remember what that is? What is it?
Fish.
Fish. And we practiced counting our little goldfish that we had yesterday, and then you got to eat them up. Today we're going to practice doing that again, but now we're going to put them together, which is add, and we're going to practice our number sentences, which we practiced before. So here's what I want you to do first. Go ahead and put your markers down. I want you to each grab 5 goldfish. All right, now I want you to get 3 more and add that to your pile. Now I want you to count and see how many you have all together. How many did you have?
8.
How many did you have? 8. So we were going to write that. How many fish did we start out with? Do you remember?
5.
5. So I started out with 5 fish. And I'm adding, so remember our adding is our little plus sign. And how many more fish did we have to add?
3.
3. So I'm going to put a 3. And then my equal sign. And how many did we have all together?
8.
8. So I'm going to put equals 8. Okay. Let's try another one. Go ahead and clear off your fish. This time I want you to take 9 fish. And I want you to add 2 more fish to your pile. Now how many do you have all together?
11.
How many did you have?
9.
Oh, let's try that again. Let's go ahead and let's tap our fish. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11.
11.
I was
And now
wrong.
that's okay. We are learning together. So how many fish did we start out with? Do you remember?
9.
9. So let's go ahead and write 9 as our first number. And we're adding our fish together, so we need our little plus sign telling us we're combining. And then we added how many more? Do you remember, Ben? 2 more. So go ahead and put a 2. And Marvin, how many did we have all together?
11.
11. So remember to put our equal sign. And then 11. I'm going to have you 2 work together as partners. And I want you to think of 2 on your own. And I want you to write them down so I can see them, okay?
So you actually want us to grab fish? What do I do? Let's do 5.
I like how you're grabbing your fish.
And 1. How much do you have? I have 6 total. 6. Should we write that one down then? Yeah. What did we start with? 5. Add plus sign, and then 1. 6. Okay. 1. Should I do? 4. Let's do 3. start with 4, 4.
And then just
Oh, I'm glad that you remembered to do your plus sign.
Yeah. Do we have?
3.
Good job, and I liked how you guys worked together on that. Here's what I'm gonna have you do. I'm gonna have you do 2 of them on your own, okay? They can be super duper tricky to challenge those brains, or they can be easy peasy lemon squeezy. When you're finished, give me a thumbs up so I know you're ready to move on. I like how you're putting yours in 2 different piles.
Helps me.
I can tell Ben is ready to go. He was giving me a thumbs up.
There's a lot of fish.
I see he was trying to challenge his brain. Ben, can you share with us one of your examples that you did?
I did 2 redfish, then I added 7 yellowfish. 9.
So if we were going to read this, do you know how we would do that? We would go 2 plus.
7
And remember what that means?
equals
Yeah.
9.
Let's try that again. 2
plus 7 equals 9.
Good job. Would you like to share one of yours with us?
Sure. First I did 2, and then I did 8 more.
And how many did you have all together?
10.
10. And just like Ben, do you know how we would read that?
2 plus 8 equals 10.
Good job. I want you to clear your boards, and I want you to put all your fish right back into the middle. Today,
I want a trademark.
that's A-okay. Today we were working on adding our numbers together. Let's try one more, practice one together, and then we'll move on to our next subject, okay? I want you to take 10 goldfish this time. We're challenging those brains, 10 goldfish. Okay. And this time keep this pile, or keep these goldfish in a separate pile, okay? Now I want you to add 5 more goldfish. 5 more. We're challenging those brains, getting you ready for first grade. When you have 5 more goldfish, go ahead and add them all up to see how many you have all together. If you can read my mind, show me what I'm going to have you do on your whiteboards. If you remember what we've been practicing with our number sentences, show me what I would like to see. tell you guys were paying attention. You were great listeners. Ben, can you share with us what you put?
I put 10, because the red ones,
Yep.
then plus 5 of the green fish, and that equals 15 fish total.
Good job. And Marvin, I see you have the same thing because we started out with 10 goldfish and we had to add 5 more, and altogether we had 15. All right, here's what I want you to do. Put your goldfish back into the middle, erase your boards, and you can go ahead and get ready for snack.